Still on our mission to find my best drone shot. We had just finished shooting episode 2. We got some really great shots there, I believe. So we headed out in search of a spot to shoot episode 3. The taxi driver found this spot that he thought would be perfect, so we headed in.
This is a closed resort.
Walking around a closed resort on Samal that this guy brought us to. I mean, what could go wrong? But check this out. This used to be a canopy walk. Look. Check it out. And it's got the canopy that goes across, but I wonder how many years it's been since somebody's been up there. Oh yeah, there's stuff down here. So I think we found our way and we're gonna head down another path. So here we go. While we make our way down this path, now would be a good time to see which drone shot won episode 2. This is shot 1, a beautiful shot, flying over the trees and off to the left the water. Love the clarity of the water, and this shot got 8 votes. Here is shot 2, another go big shot. I love the color of the water. You can see right to the bottom, and this shot received 7 votes. And this is shot number 3, the drones flying pretty close to the top of the trees. Beautiful shot, and this shot won episode 2 with 33 votes. I don't know if you can see it. There's all kinds of fish in the water down there. Man, it is too bad. What a beautiful place. And this looks like the perfect spot to film episode 3.
Bawal daw. Daddy! It's not allowed. Oh. Let's go, Daddy, because it's not allowed.
He said we're not allowed to be here?
Yeah.
Nowhere?
To fly the drone.
Well, how about if we don't fly the drone?
No? Sarang isda.
Can you ask them if we go swimming?
No, I think it's not allowed because they're close.
So basically what happened is I lifted the drone off the ground, and then somebody is here up there screaming at us and said we can't fly the drone here. That we have to leave because the resort is closed. So we have to put episode 3 of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot on pause and go to a different spot. All right, let's do this. All right, so I don't think I was filming. So quick update. We're out of breath because we just climbed up a bunch of stairs to get back up here. We weren't kicked out, but this is a closed resort, and there's a couple workers still here that said that we probably shouldn't be here. So we decided to listen to them and head out. And we are waiting for the car to get here. We're gonna get back in our car, and we're gonna go to the next spot so we can continue to find a spot to film, or help me find my best drone shot. So I got 2 vlogs going right now. I've got Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot, and I'm shooting a vlog about finding a spot to film episode 3 of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. I'm catching my breath now. Hopefully the car was parked way down there, so our driver, he went to go pick up the car, so we would have to walk because, you know, like lazy like that. So plus I'm tired from climbing all those steps. That was a lot of steps. But all right, so be back when we get to the next location. All right, so I'm back. Fix my hair. All right, so I'm back. So here's what happened. We got kind of asked to leave the last place because it was closed. We've been looking for a spot that we could launch the drone because there's so many trees, like everywhere we go. Like, look at all these trees. But if you look straight up, I found a spot that has a place where I can launch the drone, and we can hopefully film Episode 3 of Season 2 of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. So I am going to try to launch the drone from here right now. Wish me luck. Then all of a sudden, this guy pulls up on his motorbike, gets off of it, starts talking to us, trying to convince me he's some government agent and I can't be flying my drone there. I mean, I knew he wasn't a government agent, but we decided that, you know what, I'm gonna bring the drone back. This guy's being a pain. And then he starts threatening to call the police, and I don't know what his problem was, but that kind of squashed this place too. We are at a place called Blue Jazz Resort. We're checking it out, bringing you along, continuing our adventure of helping me find my best drone shot, a spot to film it. We have a couple of, I might have got some shots at the last place before they asked us to leave, but yeah, so we're gonna check out and see if this might be a good spot. Hold on. I will try Wow, they are really good. You hear her? She's singing that. That is awesome. All right, check this place out. Rose is going to order some food to feed us all. There she is. So I got to show you what we're getting ready to eat. They brought out a big feast, man. This is pretty cool. Check it out. There we go. So we got rice. What's that? The fish? Pork. And what is that?
That's the pancit canton.
Pancit canton. And then the soup, which looks like egg drop soup to me, but I don't know. All right, you ready to eat? All right, we're gonna eat. There you go. They're over there somewhere. It's a hard life.
So handsome. What's that? Cannot take off. Your aircraft has entered unauthorized zone. Oh, poor daddy. I'm sorry. Oh. Oh, poor sweetheart. Cannot take off his drone.
You know what? It's been kind of an adventurous vlog. I've had fun. Oh yeah, wait. I did actually get some pretty banging shots at one of the places, so don't forget to vote for your favorite shot in the comments. The next day we went out into the country. We were on a road, I believe, between Tagum and Ashushan, and we stopped and I got this shot for number 3. You know what? It's been kind of an adventurous vlog. I've had fun. And if you've enjoyed it, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, even click that notifications bell so you can get notifications on my future videos. I'm Scott with Scott's Journeys, and I will see you in the next video.